Kublai pi baro kanigiti to Dashin Meghalaya, but Gipitan so high pi sha kanigato kubor metakajan meat. Shoban pash ki kubor kebabnya ipet mat bukong san. Kut kajing tap kerteng nak bentak election Lok Sabha jong kawat kebaar metakasngi. Layok kurup ia kepisah, kiat pat kidrok pasong dor palat lai punyo klur tengka Meghalaya pentep chief electoral officer. Thang kirunar ya kakali ki pulit hadin di kelarung hapok ke Maulai Police Station pentep Superintendent of Police Uritura Ravi. Yalap election ke Seng Congress but Regional Democratic Alliance haramrai. But penlong jelap election Lok Sabha ka RDA Hayau Maulong Ribhoi District. Ki kubor ki babnya. Ka jing tap kerteng na kebentak election Lok Sabha jong kawat kabaar kalakut no mentak kesngi. On penlong election haki prapu prateli ki syuki Lok Sabha haki kat artli ki jela but Union Territory ringkat bat kebentar besar jong ke outer Manipur Lok Sabha constituency hak ni kawat. Ka jing tap vote jong kani kawat kan long ha ka arpun riu terik uyayong. Ka jing pet ya ki kot kisla jong ki kertong ha baro ki jela bat Union Territory kan long ha ka san terik uyayong lat no ha ka Jammu bat Kashmir ka ban long ha ka riu terik uyayong. Katba ka Meghalaya kadang penkre ke election Lok Sabha katanat election kalayok ban kurup ya kapisa kidrok bat kakiat basong dor palan lai punyo klur tingka katanat election kala penlong ru ya kajengelang bat ka Election Commission of India bat kmi nya ya kajeng penkre na kabentakan ke election Lok Sabha bat kam shimla shem AA ka babakla ka Meghalaya. Haba pentip bala penlong ru ya kajengelang bat ka Assam kerdan jong ki Chief Secretary utiwari ula pentip bagidon shispa prapunyo utili ki polling station ki badan ha ki jaka kaput bat ka Assam kat ba shispa sapo utili ki polling station ki don ki jaka kaput bat ka Bangladesh. Ki don chu show sa shispa ri pusau utili ki polling station ha ka ba ki nong penya ya ki election bat ki nong tap vote ki hap penya na Assam bat ya kini ki jeng la dep pan penbet bat ka Assam.
Total seizure worth 33.45 crore, and after the announcement of MCC we have 4.06 crore rupees seizure, so total seizure till date is 37.51 crore. It includes the liquor, drug, cash, freebies, etc., etc. So we are having around 187 polling stations bordering with the Assam. 140 polling stations bordering with the international border of Bangladesh, and we have around 164 polling stations where polling parties have to move through Assam.
Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills Uritura Ravi ula pentip bagidon sangot kiri runar Kiblalet rung hapok ke jaka pendiang kali ha Maulai Police Station. Ha kabakila kawang da petrol bom ya kali gypsy jong kipulit hinin dang step. Uravi ulakan thok ru bahkan ni ka jengja kelaja ke por kumba lai do namen step. Kani ka kali pulit kabla syak thang ka don your registration number ML not R not iwe kendai saw. Bodu SP ulaban bahkan ni ka kali kala julor bun. Ula ong ba la Ujor mukot duma ha Maulai Police Station hapok ki kendon Explosive Substances Act kat kendai spak pra but ke Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act kat kendai spak pra pusau.
240-45 one incident of arson took place at Maulai PS premises wherein 5 unknown persons miscreants wearing masks and helmet they hurled one petrol bomb at one of our police gypsy which was parked there in which the vehicle got damaged. In that regard We have registered one case under various sections of IPC and also under Explosive Substance Act, and we are investigating.
Ka Regional Democratic Alliance kalapan long ya kajingelap election menta kasngi hayo maulong Riphoy District na kabenta ukertong jongki uba Robert Karjarin ubani khun ke election Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary seat. U President ke UDP uba Ahmed Bak Lingdo, u MLA ka mau kerwat uba Reniting Lindo, u MLA ka nongpo uba Miral Bons Im bat kiwe kinong yalam jong kaseng. Klay don benta lang ha kanikisngi. Haba ay jengkren ha kajingelam u kertong ka UDP uba Robert Karjarin u lakren halor shibon teli kimat kum ka ILP kimat baydey bat ka kam kapot ka jengken thop ya ka ketin khasi ka kernit ka bapra ka uniform civil code bat ka jeng bom yo kam yo jam. Kum shibenta ban kin mau ya ka Khasi National Awakening Day ka Khasi Students Union Maulai Circle mendakasi kelap lia perdah ya ka limpung match prang Khasi League Basketball na ka benta ki kin thai bet chenrang ha Maulai nong pedeng basketball ground. U General Secretary ka KSU uba Donald V Thaba ulap lia perdah ka match prang Khasi League Basketball. Kiton hadu khat art league ki kin hon ye kai ka thop jeng ki kin thai but lai pho teli ki kin hon ha ka thop jeng ki chenrang. Hakabasdang jong kajila kai na kaliang kikintay ka mau kasiang Marvels kalay kun persya ka dubaksi hakaba ka mau kasiang kalayo ya ka jingjob na kaliang kishinrang ka seng samla mau lai nong pedeng kalayo jingjob persya ka KSU mau Prem Circle.
Tournament insya Allah para Khasi bat kata ka objektif lain ka vision ka jong ka KSU kalong ba ini kilong kita kirensan lani ki madan ki ban ai experience mi kena jungi ai kinya kun sa para mangi ai kinyo alat baginya kun sa para maki ban lokum sibenta bagi ban kre ladi ban kio pat kirensan ban kun pat bagi gije ban riu lagade ka state level dan ka national level but international level.
Kaseng Indian National Congress but ka Regional Democratic Alliance kabadai kaseng betre lang hapadeng ke United Democratic Party but ka Hill State People's Democratic Party. Kila penlong ya ka jingelap election hayo rambrai hinin kesngi hakabada ki spangut ki briuk lai lumlang. Kinong yalam ka RDA uba Ahmed Bak Lingdo, ukertong ka RDA uba Robert June Karjarin, unang yalam kaseng HSPDP uba KP Pangyang, kila banjur halor ke perkat perdan ke parti. Pat kajeng pen urlong ye kajeng dawa bala sak teng la slem jong ka jela kum ka ILP, kajeng kan thop ye ka ketin Khasi ka kernit ka bapra, ha ka riti sen syari, ban penbet ye uput usam bat kasam na lor kiwe kiman. Kat ba kaseng Kongres lami khmat donong yalam kaseng Kongres haram berai uba stormding tongni bat kiwe kebelapan ya kejeng kersan ni kinong thap vote na ram berai bakin kersan yu kertong MP uba Vincent H Pala.
Bakawai na giting perang giting angot jong RDA. Bak ikwa pengkeren ramba akhlak jong piya kami kapor kamta kalong bangiyeng halak kanong rin banyada ya kahok ban mani belay like lut hakalin jong hari dia kahok ban mani belay like lut kadai kahok jong pi simet bak kadai kahok jong way po way unong song snong hakalin dia
Hakawai na kisin jam ban ay mensim ban pen kubor ban kersan ni kisamla ki bawan rai kejeng kela Arngut ki brio ki bejublian ban yarap ki brio ki bedon kam ka jingarap kata inong syam ya ka Impulse NGO network ikong Hasina Karbi bad unong ye khun ban penne e ka Maryang u Carlos Navarro Martinez Clays no ktilang hapo commission bala ai kerteng ka journey with purpose ikong Hasina bad Martinez kin penlong ya ka jingya lenti kindai ski na Shillong Meghalaya shadu shapukra Nepal hakabau Martinez u yakun ban penyo ya ka jing bishar ka bahok hakabai day bat kasun beneng bat ikong Hasina i kampai kmat syaka jing pet shnong ka bamlong shngan kini ki arngut kilakin turu ye kitu ki badon ka jing sultanat ban shim bentalang hakani ka jing ya lenti hakabai day bat kani ka Royal Enfield bat arngut kinong nya thuk kila shim bentalang hakani ka tamasay ya ka ba
how they can challenge our whole ecosystem and how these innovation can actually lead to furtherization of climate impact as well as how they can reduce, migration issue is leading to human trafficking based on the experiences, because these are so correlated to each other. I'm so glad that Royal Enfield is on board in this journey, and I think we have these two amazing riders to come and join all of you, and how Catholic philanthropists can actually change the whole ecosystem of what we believe can really take place.
Lasang ika Maharashtra Institute of Technology University of Meghalaya Shillong ha usnem 8,000 khatwe bakajingya linti jongka kalanang jam shaprang ha bakrench kala pathai khubor u Dr. D Bhattacharya u balong u Pro Vice Chancellor u laong ba ka MIT ka ajing hikai na kabenta ki jing puli ki bakham shalor na kabenta ki khna but ula kenturu ye ki khna ban shim ki jing puli pentbet khnang ban kentiu yaladi hindrei kajing pensan ye ki rukom hikai ban pentbet kala ban penyar kajing bet rekam but kandi ka MIT kan penlong ya ka MIT Connect ringkat bat ka phang pedeng entrepreneurship and sustainability ha kan rio trik mentau benai Hazin Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong.
We want to offer job to the local student. We want to change the mindset of the local student. Unless and until we change the mindset of the student, it's difficult that we explore the world. And unless and until we explore the world, our horizon will not go beyond our thinking.
Khasi Raja Memorial Secondary School kabaha patarim umsning kalapan sedang ya ke annual sports meet hindin kesngi uba Rocky kela ubade usong knor jongko umsning town dorbar ulapli perdai ke limpung ha ke jing don ringkat ki we ki rio pau khman ki kimi ki kpa ki nong hi kai ki khna school lapen pho pen phieng ye ke jing le kai sedang lingba ke jing shim benta shit rem de ki khna school but on pin code ya ke jing ye le kai la sha kesngi. Boy District Cycling Association balapan ya do General Secretary uba mipli watlang ulakan hoi risa na kabenta ka jingla benile kai bha jong kinong ile kai ka limpung National MTB Championship ka ba arpo ha Panchkula Haryana ka blas dang na do ka arpu praterik hadu ka lai puai terik hau benai bladem lapan long ya ka program pendon burom ha petrol pump down gate nongpo na kabenta ban ai burom mi kinong ile kai plala ban penjob ha ka jingnya cycle u Kevin Lingdo ulayo khur artli kita kama rupa ha ka youth category na kabenta ka XCO time trial but kama start u Aaron O'Neill Kharpuri ulayo khur ya kata kama ksiar katba utaitis CH Marak ulayo khur ya kata kama rupa ha ka downhill elite category u lambor mi pawa ulapoi ka kerdan ka basan jong ka XCO junior men category kat ba Fabian Killat ulapoi ka kerdan ka bahinyo jong ka XCO youth category mentangin pe ka jinglong jaman ka simineng hanong ba shalong ka jingshit kalong 8.9 degree Celsius ka jing kriat kalong 0.9 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau kalong rio pho na ka shispa men step but lai pusan na ka shispa janmet kan don ka jing hap slap ka ba malumala ka jing ti perthat hakikat tu ka ni ki jaka shon poi bukut jang thup ko boy pe biang se sian ke mat bakong san kut ka jing thap kerteng na kabenta ka election Lok Sabha jong ko wat ka baat neta kasni layo kurup ya kapisa kiat pakidrok pasong dor palan lai punyo klur tengkah Meghalaya pentip chief electoral officer thang kirunar ya ka kali ki pulat hadin biklarung hapo ka maulai police station pentip superintendent of police Uritura Travi Yalap election kaseng Congress but Regional Democratic Alliance haram berai. บัดเป็นลงเจรับ election ลกสภากับ RDA ฮายองมองลอง Point District Dia perlu katunglah pois kabukut jong ketup kubor jengi menta kajan mien. Hadu pindi sembiang bat pila sya kasi kublai pi paro.
Preston Tinsang.